And now we are going to make a half ponytail hairstyle with the help of rubber band having a long tail in it. So just binding up the few portion of the tail with the rubber band and knotting the ribbon in this way. And now we are going to make a side ponytail hairstyle in this way. Just taking a few portion of the hair, divide it in two parts, and now making a French braid in this way by grabbing the few braids from the tail as you can see in the video. Make the same braid in another part, and after this done, bind it up with rubber band that shapes like a heart. Beautiful. In the next, we are going to make a side braid with the help of this rubber band having a long tail. So just making a braid with the help of the ribbon and taking a few portion of the front hair in this way that looks like this. Amazingly done. So do the same on the other side. Wrap it up with the ribbon. It's done. And here we are using this thread in knotting the hair and making such hairstyle in ponytail. And here we have made a half ponytail, a simple half ponytail, and to make it more attractive, we are using a fingers and the rubber band and binding it up like this to make a flower over it. Let's see what's the next. So here we are using a cutter to cut the rest of the rubber band and making a front hairstyle like this. And in this we are going to make a pony fishtail. So here we have divided a hair into two parts and splitting the each part of the hair, binding it up like this, which make a pony fishtail braid. You can try this way to make a fishtail braid in any style, looking pretty. And now we are going to make a open hair braid in this way, taking each side of the hair and making a braid like this. To make it look more attractive, put the clip over it. In the next, we are using a thread in this way to wrapping it up in the hair as you can see in the video. Amazingly done. Now making a half ponytail and dividing the tail into two and twisting it up like this. Amazingly done. Again a half ponytail, and here we are using a thread, that thread that we have used earlier in different style. Here we are using this thread in this way which create this design in your hair. Now we are making a side braid, side French braid actually, in this way as you can see in the video. Amazingly done. So let's proceed to the next. Here we are using a thread in knotting up the hair while making a braid as you can see in the video. You can use the thread in your hairstyle in this way as it become a trend nowadays. Amazingly done. Now let's proceed to the next, and again we are using a thread in side French braid as you can see in the video. So just we have divided hair into three and just grabbing the each part of the hair as you can see in the video. You can use this ribbon in this way also in making half ponytail braid. And now again we are going to make a half ponytail braid with the help of this ribbon having a long tail. So just knotting the each part of the hair in this way which make this style more attractive. Here again we are making an open hairstyle by using fingers and thumb to knotting up this two side of the hair in this way which make this style easy in making.